Hey guys, what's up? This is Lone Shadow. This video is for my admins and mods. I'm going to show you how to use the admin control panel. Basically, click on the link that I gave you, and it's going to take you to here. Well, you're going to have to put in your login information that was given to you, and you'll get to this page, the main page here. See, you got everything here. Start up top here. None of this is relatively important. Here's the servers. Let's say we need to go to Best West or 2. You click on it. This is live. Everything here is going to be live. The chat log is a couple seconds behind. Here's your chat log. If you want to say something to people, you can type what's up or whatever. Like I had to make a previous video that I fucked up in, so. But if you type here, it's going to say your name next to it. Remember that. Now, if you want to do an admin say message, then you go to here, say message, and then type the message, and then that'll say an admin message. Then you do an admin message. This is the live scoreboard. Pretty well up to date. There's not much of maybe a second or two behind. Shows pings, what squad, their KD and everything. Now let's say you got a report on somebody here for jet ramming. You got a report on the goo for jet ramming. You know, you can look through chat logs to see if there's any talk of jet ramming, or you can just click the check mark there. And here's your options you can do. Yell a message to him, tell a message. You know, you can warn him. You can punish him. I use punish a lot because it logs it. Then it lets me know how many times he has been jet ramming. And it will also kill them. You got kick, watch, kick all players and kick players are right next to each other. Where you can forgive player. So those are your commands. You select one, then you hit submit. That's basically it for here. So let's go back to the dashboard. A lot of times you'll come in and somebody will want to know why they were kicked from the server. Why am I being kicked from the server? Well, this was an additional feature that I put together, that I got and put on. Player disconnect history. This shows the player disconnect history. 6 minutes ago in number 3 server, Chupa Chup was kicked for BF4 DB multi-hack. This will go for the last 24 hours. If they need longer than 24 hours, I can go into the database and pull the last 3 days worth, but I shouldn't have to. That's there. These are the latest bans, as you can see. And if we go to the ban list, a lot of bans. 443 total bans. A lot of them. Whenever you see language enforcer, that means it was for racism. 7-day ban for racism. Bans for racism work like this. They get 2 temp bans for racism. After 2 bans, it's a permanent ban, alright? So, let's say someone comes into Discord and turns out they weren't cheating or whatever, then you can go here, click their name, we'll click this guy, and we can check information on him too, like he was banned for multi-hack. He's not a good one to pick because he doesn't have anything. What about, let's look at this guy here. Click on his name. Here we go. Suspicious weapons. Here you can see what weapons he has that are suspicious, you know. That's a little bit above average for assault rifles and stuff like that. To me, that's borderline, but go up here, click on the BF4 DB and see what they think. They are showing him as banned. But for some reason, someone comes in and you need to change their ban, unban them or whatever. Go to current ban, edit ban. Unban. You would click OK, or you can change that to the reason you're unbanning them. I'm not going to click OK, and then that's it. Let's say you're in here and you need to change a ban from permanent to temporary, or temporary to permanent. That's all you click, whatever. Now, say you want to create a ban on somebody, all right? Create a ban on somebody. If you have their name, type their name up here. So let's say we typed in this person's name and we're going to ban this person right here. All right, current ban, no bans on file. That's right, because we're going to create a ban. Then you want to put the reason you are banning him. If we think he's cheating or whatever and you want to get him out of the server, you just put under review, say under review, check back in a few hours or come to Discord. All right. Temporary. 1, 2, 3 hours a day, however long it takes for us to look through and make sure he's cheating. Always enforced by GUID, by name, and by IP. Enforce it by all three of them. I don't like to ban people who are not cheating. I myself been kicked from servers, and a lot of people I know have been kicked from servers because they're just good. And I'm not trying to run servers like that. So unless they're 100% cheating, they do not get banned. They're a pain in the ass. They're better than you. Deal with it. I deal with it all the time. So just make sure they are 100% cheating and then report it over to BF4DB, which a lot of you are good at doing. I think that's mainly it here for this site and how to use it. This stuff you don't really have to worry about. Special players. I had to. Some people have to be added to the anti-cheat whitelist. Like they came in, they made a point that their kid, like his husband and wife, their kids were stat padding. So I had to put them on the anti-cheat whitelist so that they wouldn't get kicked every time. Ping kick whitelist. She is paying for VIP for a ping kick whitelist. And that's about it, really. You guys probably won't really need to be doing any of this site management. I don't think you guys will have permission to do anything in the site management. But okay, yeah, I'm going to be adding some players to this site so you can help me out, and this video should help you out. Alright, I will see you later, and thanks a lot.